A Bitcoin ETF is an exchange-traded fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency. A Bitcoin ETF allows investors to buy and sell shares of the fund on a regular securities exchange, without having to deal with the complexities and risks of owning and storing Bitcoin directly. A Bitcoin ETF also provides more transparency, liquidity, and regulatory oversight than other Bitcoin investment vehicles, such as trusts or futures contracts. There are two types of Bitcoin ETFs, spot and futures. A spot Bitcoin ETF holds actual Bitcoins in custody, while a futures Bitcoin ETF invests in Bitcoin futures contracts that are traded on regulated exchanges. The first spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on January 10, 2024, after years of rejections and delays. Several futures Bitcoin ETFs were launched in late 2023, but they have higher fees and tracking errors than spot Bitcoin ETFs. Some of the benefits of investing in a Bitcoin ETF are: you can gain exposure to Bitcoin without having to buy, store, or secure it yourself. You can trade Bitcoin ETF shares on any brokerage platform that offers access to traditional securities exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. You can diversify your portfolio with an alternative asset class that has a low correlation with other financial markets. You can benefit from the tax advantages of holding an ETF, such as lower capital gains rates and no wash sale rules. Some of the risks of investing in a Bitcoin ETF are: you are still subject to the volatility and unpredictability of the Bitcoin market, which can experience sharp price swings and flash crashes. You are not entitled to any of the rights or rewards of owning Bitcoin, such as voting on network upgrades or receiving airdrops or forks. You may incur higher fees and expenses than buying and holding Bitcoin directly, especially for futures Bitcoin ETFs that have to roll over their contracts periodically. You may face regulatory uncertainty and legal challenges, as the SEC and other authorities may change their stance on Bitcoin and crypto-related products in the future. If you are interested in learning more about Bitcoin ETFs, now subscribe to our channel and get more updates and breakdowns everything Bitcoin, simple explanations on crypto projects, daily definitions on need-to-know crypto industry terminology, and answers to any questions you drop in the comments. Until next time on CryptoTube, stay in touch.